In this video, just we are going to do web auditing for our website. So as we have seen, so these are the web auditing tools over here. So we can go and we can click any of this one, and certainly by copying and pasting the website detail over here, we can come to know the other things. Simply just we are preferring this one like SEO optimum. So again, this is a website auditing tool. So here what we have to do, we have to take any of the website or the website which you want to do auditing or the website which you want to do analysis. So simply over here, what you have to do, just you have to copy and paste the website name. For example, this one, this is a website, right? So we want to do analysis of this website. We have to do auditing. So simply copy and paste the thing and just you click on audit. So once you click on audit, it will start analyzing the website and it will start creating on the report as well. Normally it takes a little time to prepare that report. So here just you can see right now it is working on that. So here all the things that means the page grade and other things you can see, and here the report generated or when you generated this report, this part you can see. So almost it has done with the 99%, and when it will complete 100%, and definitely all the reports will be done. So yes, you can see here it has finalized. Now we can see the report over here. So as we can see, this website report audit result for darjeelingtealeaves.com, right? So here the page grade, just we can see it's a D plus. So yes, we can say the page is not too much good over here. So by default, it is telling you your page could be better, right? So other, I mean, things you can also see like SEO, usability, performance, social, and security. So in security, if this website performance is good, that means somewhere they have taken or integrated SSL certificate. Social media presence, we can say it's a very poor performance. It's not up to the mark. Usability, somewhere it is an average, and SEO, it is showing C minus. So somewhere we have to work on the SEO part as well, right? So if we scroll down, so just you can see here the details for the child pages. Child pages, that means sub pages of this website. And here by default we are getting like your SEO could be better. So yes, definitely. Here we can see title tag, it is showing it's a Darjeeling tea leaves. So it is the name of the website, it is the name of the company. So if you find okay, in this title part we can work more and some better title you can write it. So definitely you can go and you can get it upgraded. Similarly, you can check the body contents like H1, H2, header text, whether it is available or not. So yes, in H1 part it is there, in H2 the same it is there, but S3 is missing. The same way, keyword consistency you can see over here, and like these are the keywords that just you can see, like tea, Darjeeling. So this is the main keyword. Don't worry about the other keyword, right? Only the main keyword you have to focus on. So these are the phrases, and here you can see amount of content. So okay, this amount of content is good, and here uh, you can see image alt attributes. So what's the message? 62 images are there, but most of the images they are missing with the alt attribute. Alt attribute, that means they have not given some names for these images. So yes, definitely this is not up to the mark as well. Here on the right side we can see this cross button, and here number of backlinks for that one. Certainly you have to sign up, and no broken link and friendly URL. So yes, here we can see this website, it doesn't have a friendly URL. Okay, then we'll scroll little bit down. So just here we can see the other information like indexing, non-indexing, whether the content or the website is indexable over the search engine or not. And simply we can see yes, robot.txt. So this robot.txt file is implemented in this sitemap, but here we can see XML sitemap is missing. Fine. Then analytics, yes, they have integrated the analytics part also. So through the help of this analytics tool, they can completely know about the behavior of their audience as well, from which location they are visiting, what they are doing in this website, how much time they are spending, what's their age group, and what's their gender, from which device they are coming from. So each and everything they can analyze with the help of this analytics tool. Then simply here we can say it is also missing with the structured data or schema.org. And if we'll talk about the usability, so usability is related to mobile responsiveness and device responsiveness as well. So yes, we can see this is a auto responsive website. So according to the devices, it is adjusting its screen size as well. Favicon is also present, and font sizes the little bit, I mean, it is unaligned. And here if you'll see the performance, so by default we are getting a message, your performance needs improvement. So somewhere we have to work on the speed part, and somewhere we'll have to reduce the file size also, right? So here just we can see the total file size is, it is showing like 8 MB, but it should be on an average it should be minimum 3, or if we can consider 4 MB, right? And page size breakdown, if you'll see, so yes, here the maximum space is taking these images. So here it is showing like 4.24 MB. So somewhere we have to reduce the file size of these images. We'll have to optimize. Somewhere we can also optimize the JavaScripting and the coding part. So if we optimize this one, if we pass it to the developer, so the developer, they will be working on this one, they will be optimizing the code, they will be removing unnecessary or unused coding at the backend part. So if we'll do so, so definitely the website is peaked, it will increase. And here we can see the other things like optimize images. So the images, it is not optimized, compression it is not done, and otherwise in other element we'll see the check mark on the right side, that is it is green. So that part is okay. And your social needs improvement, it is telling, so yes, this website has a poor performance, and I mean, not too much appearance over, they are not too much active in the social media platform as well. Like that way you can analyze. And Facebook pixel tool, that means they have implemented. So security things, just you can check it on. So yes, website is totally secure. So like that way, just you can check the other details as well. So these are the actually the technology they have used, or the coding it was used for creating this website. And here just we can see like recommendation. So yes, SEO, for SEO it is telling high priority. So definitely we have to work on the SEO part. Same meta description is also missing, so it is showing high priority. And whatever the here on the right side, you can see the medium priority. So like that way, according to your preference, you can work on, but it is mandatory just to work on whatever the notification you are getting in the high priority base. So you have to fix that immediately, and later on you can just work on the medium priority and low priority as well. So like that way you can do audit, website audit with the help of tool. So this was the first tool, and for the second tool just will be doing in the next video.